Today on Cinnamon Spice, we are going to teach you how to make the best 3-ingredient margarita.
A la Breaking Bad, which is why we are going to turn ours blue.
Woo! Start with the juice of key limes. We're using key limes instead of regular Persian limes because they're sweeter and a little less acidic.
After you add your lime juice, we're going to put some simple syrup in.
This is a 1-to-1 ratio simple syrup with 1 cup sugar and 1 cup water boiled on the cooktop. Let it cool and keep it in the fridge for up to a week.
Whoop! What's next, lady?
Oh, next is the tequila. We are using a clear tequila instead of the normal brownish colored tequila because we want to dye our drink blue and we don't want it to turn a weird greenish color.
Something fun about tequila is there are more brands of tequila than there are distilleries. So if you find a particular one that you like, you can actually find out using the website
tequila.net
which other brands are made in that same distillery. And you might be surprised. You might be able to find one that you love less expensive.
So we are ready to mix. Shake. So shake it in your cocktail shaker with about halfway full of ice for 30 seconds. Okay.
Every professional knows that when you're about to do something dangerous, it's time for safety goggles.
We are adding 3 drops of blue food coloring to our drink so it has that nice crystal blue for your Breaking Bad party. I love how it just transforms into a blue drink magically.
It's pretty remarkable.
There are only 3 ingredients in your margarita, but if you want to snazz it up a little bit, you can sugar and salt the rim. To do that, pour some of your tequila on a plate. Okay. Then take your margarita glass, dip it, and then here we have a mixture of blue sugar and kosher salt.
You can get the blue sugar at most craft supply stores or online. While she's doing the second glass, I will show you how beautiful your beverage is going to look.
One of my favorite characters from Breaking Bad is Jesse, played by Aaron Paul. Did you know that originally it was written into the script that he was supposed to die after the first season, but he's such a great actor, they rewrote the story to keep him as a main character. Yo.
Yo.
All right.
Let's enjoy this margarita.
I'm so ready to taste this. Cheers to the final season of Breaking Bad.
We'll miss you.
We're drinking away our woes.
It worked, I feel great now.
It's a very delicious margarita. So simple. Your friends are gonna love it when they
come over and you have some delicious tacos together and watch the final season of Breaking Bad.
We'll see you next time.